alat niri.
Meghalaya's introduction of 30 STEMS buses aims to reduce traffic congestion in Shillong by removing 30 private vehicles per bus. With 60 buses now operating, the initiative is expected to reduce the number of vehicles on the road by approximately 1,800. Initially met with lukewarm demand, the service has gained popularity as parents and students realize its benefits. All 30 designated routes are fully occupied and the government is considering expanding the initiative to other towns like Jawai and Tura. Despite the service success, there are logistical challenges, particularly with narrow school routes. The government is exploring options to deploy smaller vehicles and address parking issues.
There's a very clear indication that the demand is increasing, and there should be in future, obviously this will go even more. So I request parents to think about this, that the kind of impact, it is absolutely safe, and these kind of features nowhere in the country I have seen any kind of school bus services providing. And there are other benefits. Of course, the whole city will benefit out of less congestion. So all these factors should be considered, and I'm sure in the future more people will come on board and STEMs will go on.